That's what we do for here. Mount your camera on a tripod. Use portrait mode, okay? After that, record an empty background for few seconds. Then you move in. Do as if you look back, point on something, then you make a jump. Save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Capcut, new project. Locate your video and import it. Import the video to the workspace. Locate volume now. I don't need the volume. Click it. Reduce it to finish. Then you need an empty space. Click on this place now. Click here. Make a split. Look for overlay. Click on overlay. Click on the first one. Look for freeze. Look for freeze. Add freeze. Click on it and drag the empty space, drag it, then click on this one, go and put it at the beginning of the video. Yes, so at this point, this place where you jump up, look at this place, click on the video, make a split, then you do a screenshot. Click here, click so that you make sure it's this one, do a screenshot, then you come and crop it. Watch what I am doing so that I will not make mistake. Crop it. After cropping it, you click on done. Look at done there. Click on done. Then save to photos. Then you come back here now. Click on this one. Just adjust it. Then you come back. Click on this. Go and locate overlay. Click anywhere. Locate overlay. Click on overlay. Photos. Import the photo you just cropped. So at this point, what we want to be doing is we want to locate remove BG. Go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, auto removal. Allow it to remove completely. Click on this good to go back. So at this point, we want to add key to the video. So click on the video, click on keyframe. Then adjust the video a bit, adjust it a little. Then push the video up. Push it, finish, complete it. Then adjust it again, drag it down again, drag it down. But at this point, gradually. So at this point, turn the video. You can drag it up if you want. Then push it to the other side. You can push it to the other side. You can push it. After you move the video, you push it. So at this point, you can still turn it again. So this place is the way you want your own to move, is the way you are going to do it. If you want to get the same result as my video when you watch it, then you follow what I am doing here, then you will get the same result. But if you want your own to look another way, you want to do another style, another method entirely, then it's all left to you. So, but if you want to get the same result with mine, then you follow what I am doing here. You are adjusting it. You are adjusting the video. You can see what I am doing. So at this point, when you get here, turn the video again. So when you turn it, don't leave it like that. When you turn it, make it big a little bit. Then you move it up, because this is the point of landing. You want to land now. So this is good. So at this point, the other video you shifted, you come and bring it. You drag it to come and match this one. So that when you are landing, when you get to the point, that point where you lifted the photo, it will now join itself by itself. Look at it. Look at the landing part. Perfect. You can see it. Play it. Well, then you come down and play it. Come down, play it. If there is anywhere you don't like, where you feel there is mistake, come down and adjust it. At the end, this video is ready. Click on that empty. Come and click delete. So you can see it does not rhyme. Click on that empty space and just trim it a bit so that it will rhyme with this. Perfect. This is good. This is good. So at this point, this video is ready. What is remaining is to export it. I believe you know how to export it. Remember, you used a remove BG, auto remove BG, which is a pro features. If you want to export this video now, you cannot export it, but I believe you know how to export it. If you don't know, I've made a video, I've recorded a video on how to use a Pro Features for free. You can go and watch the video, then you come back and see or know how you can export this video. But if you don't want to do that, you want me to put you through, my number is at the description of this video. You can just go there and DM me so that we'll put you through. Or you can as well drop it at the comment section. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our new updates. Okay? If you have found value in this video, give us thumbs up. Okay? Stay safe.